This is Craft Room Crash, and I'm in Eagle Mountain, Utah, outside the home of DIYers Midge and Madge. Now, these partners in crafting crime say that two is more fun than one. So let's go crash their craft room and find out what Midge and Madge are making today.
Hey, hey! Hey, Jane!
Hi, girls!
Hey! Do you want to come in and see the craft room?
I do!
We should do it then.
Let's do it!
Whoa! This is where the magic happens.
Here it is! Oh my gosh!
We like to call ourselves an online crafty talk show. So we either review things or make things or just chit chat and tell you some of our favorites, ask what your favorites are.
This room is so organized for a craft room.
Well, she's been working really hard. The craft room is at my home. Midge just lives about 20 seconds away, just across the street. Hop, skip, and a jump. Yes. Originally was 2 bedrooms, and we knocked the wall down. And by we, she means we. We really did. We got to tear down the wall, so it was fun. With a sledgehammer.
Do you actually use this right here?
You know what? Okay, I really would like to learn. We have to have the big needles. We've been friends since we were 5. We started going to scrapbook retreats together.
This is how they check for lice.
So they either think we're a couple or they think that we're sisters. It's true. That happens.
This right here is sort of a crafter's dream. I mean, a hoarder's dream.
Is there a word for collector hoarder?
Okay.
Sometimes we're not what people expect, but I think it just puts a unique spin on what we do.
I cannot wait to get to it with you guys. What are we making today?
We are making a seasonal wood plaque with our Xyron Creative Station light. First, we're going to take a design that we have cut out with our die cut machine. I just don't love fussy cutting, so dies are for me.
I love that.
I like fussy cutting.
You like to fussy cut?
I do.
I like to fussy cut too. Snip, I love this. Midge and Madge Mingle with Jane.
And we're going to run it through the Xyron Creative Station light.
So anything even this small can have adhesive stuck to the back of it.
Oh yeah.
Yes.
Yep, that's why this is so great. If you could only imagine Midge trying to glue this on.
This is so cool.
I just want to stay in the guide, so just pull it back a little bit like that.
Of course I do.
My cutter.
Wow, that's easy. So the amount of time it took us to do that, you can make 50 signs.
And then we're going to place the design on our wooden plaque.
Place and
I'm
stick.
like, I'm just guessing here.
Yeah, it's okay.
And the thing is that we can move it if we need to.
Do you ever make a mistake in crafting?
There are no mistakes in crafting. It's just a bonus step.
And how we can just decide how big we want it. Cool, look at this.
Next, we're going to make some paper flowers. Okay, now we're going to make our foam squares that we're going to use to put the flowers on our plaque.
And we could do that with these machines.
Yes, we're going to pull it out of here.
And so one side has repositionable, one side has permanent.
Yes.
The permanent's what's going to stick on the bottom of the flower.
Yes.
And the reposition goes onto the wall.
Very
Jane.
good. The light bulb moment.
Okay, now we got to stick them on.
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Look at she's jumped.
I'm like, she is. Wait, wait.
Oh, that's the one I already stuck on. Don't tell Midge. I messed up. I gotta check this out.
There we go. Jam with Jane.
Isn't that cute?
And anybody can do this.
You know what you might do for Christmas or for
I'm
the next
ready.
holiday? You ready?
Yeah.
So give somebody this for Thanksgiving, and then give them the
next
components that go with, it, and then they can design their own.
Yes.
I love that. Thank you so much for having me in your craft room.
You are so welcome, and you need to come back and craft with us again.
Believe me, I will be back.
Perfect. Yes, we love that.
Thank you so much to the dynamic duo, Midge and Madge. Now we all know how to make a customized wood plaque. And that is what Midge and Madge are doing in their craft room. What are you doing in your craft room? I'll see you next time. Bye. Craft Room Crash is brought to you by Xyron. Holds down everything except your imagination. Oh, hey, and don't forget, happiness is handmade because every dream begins with a dreamer. Well, in your case, dreamers, right?
Yes.
Yeah, you're dreamers. Dreamers? It's not a thing.